Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You already have Jira access and a project. Now start building. First, validate your permissions and pick who will use this dashboard so the layout matches their needs. Next, identify the exact filters or saved JQL queries you want to surface. These are the data sources. Once done, create a new dashboard using the Create menu and name it clearly. Make sure to set sharing to the chosen audience so your widgets are visible to the right people. Now you add and tune gadgets to turn data into insights. Start with a filter results gadget for detailed lists, then add visual gadgets like pie chart and sprint health to highlight status and progress. For each gadget, select the saved filter, pick relevant fields or swim lanes, and set a sensible refresh interval to avoid stale data. Once the gadgets are configured, drag them into a logical layout. Prioritize the most used views at the top. Finish by refining visuals and access so the dashboard stays useful. You should add quick filters and color coding to guide attention. Customize JQL if a gadget shows too much noise. Then set the dashboard's sharing, project, group, or private, and optionally add it to a user's favorites. If a gadget shows no data, check filter permissions first and then inspect the gadget's JQL. Many issues stem from restricted filters or typos. Finally, schedule a quick review with users and iterate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.